37,000 subscribers, $2.5 million views, monetized in 30 days, making an estimated $3,000 to $10,000 per month, and they uploaded their first video just 1 month ago. This is the new viral niche taking over YouTube right now, World War II history, and I'm about to show you how to replicate it using completely free AI tools. WWII is one of the most consistently searched topics on YouTube. People are obsessed with it, which means videos in this niche are almost guaranteed to get views. This is not a sponsored video. And honestly, this might be the most low-effort, high RPM niche I've ever covered. So watch to the end, I'm showing you everything. And to prove we're using free tools, here's the full breakdown. We use ChatGPT to generate viral video titles and scripts for free. Microsoft Clipchamp for the voiceover, also free. Google ImageFX to generate unlimited AI images and even thumbnails for free. And CapCut to put it all together, all free. All I need from you in return is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let's dive in. So why does this niche work? 3 simple reasons. It's free to start with AI. WWII is a massive evergreen topic and it attracts high RPMs from advertisers. Now let's build this channel step by step. But before we start, grab the free prompt document to replicate this channel. The link is in the pinned comment. When you open it, you'll find 4 different prompts. We'll be using them one by one through each step. Let's go. Step 1. Get viral video titles. For a WWII channel like the one we're replicating, we need to research what made their videos go viral. Take War Genesis, the channel we're studying. Their 3rd video got over 200,000 views. That means their titles are fire. They know how to hook people. I've done the homework for you. Open the prompt document and copy the video title prompt. Just copy all of it. I know it's lengthy, but trust me, it does the job. Paste it into ChatGPT and hit enter. Just like that, you get 15 viral-worthy video titles, each with a core story summary. Here's the breakdown. 10 titles are focused on World War II topics, battles, secret missions, and untold stories. The other 5 cover different historical conflicts, World War I, Vietnam, and the Cold War. Why? Because we want to make your channel different, not just another WWII clone. Take a look at this. The joke pit launcher that blew apart Hitler's elite armor. Japan was stunned when one US submarine crippled an entire convoy. Any of these is bound to go viral. Pick the one that speaks to you. Step 2. Generate a viral script. This is the core of your content. For this niche, it's mostly narration-driven storytelling, so the script has to be powerful. Go back to the prompt document and copy the script generator prompt. A quick pro tip, just press Command+A on Mac or Control+A on Windows to select everything, then copy. Paste it into ChatGPT. Now add your chosen video title and core story from step 1. Hit enter. If ChatGPT offers you options, simply instruct it to select the best one. Let the AI do the work. You'll get a full script broken into 5 acts: hook, context, action, consequences, and legacy. My prompts are designed to deliver a Reddit story structure. Check this hook out. There is a rule every bomber crewman in the Pacific learns early. You do not survive a prolonged fighter attack, not in OB 24, not when you're isolated, not when you're flying home low, heavy, and alone over open water. Amazing. Let me know in the comments if this is helpful so far. Now copy your script and paste it into a new document. Remove any weird punctuation and add a human touch to make it sound natural. Step 3. Generate the voiceover. With our script ready, we'll turn it into a professional narration using a completely free tool. You could use ElevenLabs, which gives you 10,000 free credits. But for a 100% free option, we're using Microsoft Clipchamp. Go to Microsoft Clipchamp and log in with a free Microsoft account. Click on text-to-speech, then paste your script. I'll be doing just a part of the full script for the sake of this tutorial. Choose a human-sounding authoritative voice. This is a history channel, so credibility is key. Next, go to the advanced options and increase the pace slightly. You want it engaging, not slow. Click Save to generate the voice-over. Give it a listen. There is a rule every bomber crewman in the Pacific learns early. You do not survive a prolonged fighter attack, and if it sounds good, export it as an audio file. Step 4. Generate the AI images. Now let's create the visuals. We need to replicate the War Genesis style. They use AI-generated images that look like authentic WWII-era photographs. Their style uses black and white, desaturated colors, film grain, and a vintage tone with high contrast. It's very cinematic. To replicate this, go back to the prompt document and copy the image prompt generator. Paste it into ChatGPT. Add your full script and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate specific image prompts for every section of your video, all designed to match that authentic aesthetic. If it can't generate all of them at once, it will prompt you to type continue, and then it will give you the complete image prompts for your script. Now open Google ImageFX. Paste the first prompt and hit generate. You'll get 4 images. Download your favorite. Repeat this for all your visuals. I'll do that now, and while I'm at it, drop a comment letting me know what niche you'd like me to break down next. Okay, we're done. Check out these images. They look like real vintage photographs from World War II. I'll also be using ImageFX to create our high-actor thumbnails like these ones. But first, now that we have our voice-over and visuals, let's assemble them. Step 5. Edit the video. We'll use CapCut for this, but any editor works. First, import all your visuals in your voiceover file. Drag your voiceover into the timeline. Listen for any long, unnatural pauses and remove them, but keep the natural rhythm. Now drag your images onto the timeline, matching them to the narration. You can take cues from the image prompts generated in ChatGPT to match each visual to the script. Here's a crucial step. Add a subtle zoom to each image. Static images are boring. Movement keeps people watching. Let's use the first image for instance. Click on it, add a keyframe at the beginning of the image, then go to the end of the frame, zoom in and play it back. Do this for all your images or use animation effects. Either one works. Now this looks much better. Next, add captions. Since your images are black and white, use a bright color like yellow or white with a black outline to make the text pop. For that extra cinematic feel, add an effect like black noise or a vintage movement effect to match the aesthetic. Do your quality checks and when you're satisfied, export. We've now created a viral WWII history video, but we're not done. The thumbnail is what makes people click. This is where most creators fail, so let's get it right. After studying War Genesis, I cracked their formula and created a thumbnail generator prompt. Go back to the document, copy the prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT with your video title and core story. ChatGPT will give you 3 distinct thumbnail concepts, each with an image prompt and suggested text. Copy the first image prompt into Google ImageFX and generate the image. Do this for all 3 concepts so you have options. These 3 thumbnails give you a Hector/C test set, emotional face, iconic equipment, and cinematic battle scene. Each engineered to maximize curiosity and clicks. Now open Canva, import your thumbnail images and add the suggested text. Use bold, thick fonts in yellow or red to make it pop. Here's a pro tip. Add a red circle or arrow pointing to something in the image. I don't know why, but this psychologically grabs attention and increases clicks. Check the suggested area to add this from ChatGPT. Once you're happy, export it and we are done. Check out the thumbnails I created. Mind-blowing. And that's the full blueprint for a faceless YouTube channel in the viral WWII history niche. Quick recap. ChatGPT for titles, scripts, and thumbnails. Microsoft Clipchamp for free voiceover. Google ImageFX for AI images. And CapCut to edit it all together, all free. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment below telling me what niche you want me to break down next. Here is the video we just created in this niche. Watch it and let me know what you think in the comment section. A single B-24 caught by multiple fighters rarely lasted more than 3 minutes. Some were torn apart in 60 seconds. It was the rule, the expectation, the outcome everyone understood. But in 1943, one crew, one plane, one pilot changed everything. You meet Herbert Bud Peasley, age 26, tall, lean, and quiet-spoken. Raised in rural Pennsylvania, a former school teacher turned aviator, known among his men for calm decision-making and a stubborn refusal to panic. He commands OB-24D Liberator nicknamed Blackjack. 10 men depend on him. 10 families rely on him. 10 live sit inside a thin aluminum shell barely thicker than a coin. It's October 1943. The Pacific War is shifting. The U.S. is pressuring Japanese strongholds across the Solomon Islands. B-24s are the long-range eyes and fists of the campaign, flying 700-mile missions over open ocean, hitting supply convoys and air bases the Japanese consider vital. The mission today is routine on paper: hit Rabble, the fortress port. But Rabble is no ordinary target. It is defended by hundreds of fighters, many flown by veterans with over 150 kills. American crews call the area the meat grinder. Peasley knows all of this as he sits in the cockpit at dawn. He also knows something else. Today his group is scattered. Weather has broken the formation. He is effectively alone. And as Blackjack banks homeward low on fuel, he spots dark specks climbing from the east. 12 Japanese Zeros closing at 350 mph. This is the moment every bomber crew fears. This is the moment the rule says you die. Bud Peasley tightens his harness, lays his hand on the control wheel, and says quietly into the intercom, "Stand by, boys, they're coming." Now check out this video where I break down another viral faceless niche that's blowing up right now. See you on the inside.